2017, so just relax. But also, big milestone for the channel. We've gotten to 500,000 subscribers. I keep making that mistake. It's because I'm looking into the future. We've gotten to 500 subscribers. I'm totally leaving this in. I'm leaving this in. Why do I keep, like I said, future? Anyway, I'm not even looking past this milestone because it's a huge milestone for me. I've made so many videos, and I've been taking the slow and steady approach, and we made it. Here's to 501, you know? I just want to say I appreciate everybody who has clicked on a video, who has subscribed, who has just seen the video thumbnail and continued to scroll. Doesn't matter. You're not going to hear this, but thank you. Everybody who comments, who leaves a like, a big thank you to you as well. It's really appreciated. I've had a lot of fun just chatting with you all in the comments. And, oh, just hit the mic, I'm sorry. And a lot of fun with people who have showed up to the live streams. I haven't live streamed in a bit, but just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Like I said, I don't do all the other social media stuff. It's just not really my thing, but for those who just found me organically through YouTube or however you found me, I appreciate it. I am thinking maybe I might do some TikTok stuff just because that's video as well. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what you guys think. Also, maybe I'll start doing some shorts, but who knows. Here's to 501 and 502. Okay, enough sentimental stuff. Let us get into the video. Okay, so this whole thing here, as I can see, is saying heavy rain over in Scotland, places in the UK. That really has nothing to do with the facts I'm gonna read because, as I said, this was written in 2017, so that's not relevant today. Alright, let's get into it. Fact number 1. Phantom rain. Not all raindrops that fall from the sky reach the ground. Under specific conditions, sometimes rain can fall but never touch Earth. This occurs when rain falling from a cloud evaporates or sublimes as it draws closer to the Earth's surface. When this happens, it forms what is known as a virga cloud, a tail or wisp extending from a cloud in a downwards position. Generally, these are seen to extend from cirrocumulus, altocumulus, and altostratus, nimbostratus, stratocumulus, cumulus, or cumulonimbus clouds. Yeah, lot of cloud types, if you didn't know. Now you do, right? Interesting. Nimbus, that's like a flying Nimbus from Dragon Ball Z. That's the cloud that Goku would fly around on. Okay. Why is this all messed up like this? Why is number 2 here and not here? So yeah, phantom rain. Sometimes rain falls and it never touches the ground. I wonder if there's ever been a whole rainstorm where none of the raindrops touch the ground. I mean, we might be seeing those all the time, if you think about it. Maybe not all the time, but in certain places you see a storm cloud. It's like, oh, looks like it's gonna rain today. And it already has in your area, but just evaporated. Okay. Fact number has a smell. I've heard people say that they like the smell of rain, so this one checks out. This one checks out just because of anecdotal information that I've heard. Okay. When raindrops fall on clay or dust soils, they trap small air bubbles on the surface, which raise upward and burst out of the droplet. This then produces pockets of scent into the air, where they are then carried by wind. This is what causes the familiar smell of rain, which is called petrichor. Or is it petrichor? Petrichor? No, I don't know. Petrichor? I have no idea. But yeah, that's the smell of rain. Yeah, I've heard people talk about this all the time. All the time. Do you like the smell of rain? If you do, you know what to do. Come on, come on, come on. You know what to do. Do you want me to tell you? You know what to do. Come on. Leave a comment. That's what you should do. Leave a comment. Let me know. Fact number 3. Shape of a raindrop. Raindrops are usually represented in the shape of a teardrop, but this is not true in reality. Okay. When raindrops first form high up in the atmosphere, they take on a spherical shape as the water molecules bind together, held by surface tension. Okay. As they begin to fall, their shape changes, while air resistance causes the bottom of the drop to flatten and curve, resembling the shape of a jelly bean. Okay, so not a teardrop, bunch of jelly beans falling to earth. Sounds like a scene out of Willy Wonka. Right? Out of Willy Wonka's factory, he has a room where it just rains jelly beans. I could see that. Timothée Chalamet is going to be portraying Willy Wonka in a new. Is it going to be? I think it's just going to be called Wonka. You know the whole story of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, right? You guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I think one's going to be coming out there shortly. Oh, maybe not shortly. Maybe longly. Who knows? Fact number 4. How long does it take a raindrop to reach the ground? To provide the exact figure would be difficult, I imagine. The height raindrops fall in size can differ, but following an average speed of 14 miles per hour and an average cloud height of 2,500 feet, it would take 2 minutes for a raindrop to hit the floor. Let the raindrops hit the floor. Let the raindrops hit the floor. Let the raindrops hit the floor. Very small raindrops can take as long as 7 minutes to reach the ground, while larger droplets can fall at speeds of 20 miles per hour. I never even considered that. How long it takes a raindrop to fall to the ground. These little tidbits of unnecessary information. Chef's kiss. Love 'em. Fact number 5. The wettest place on Earth. Tell your mom I said hi. Masinram in the Meghalaya state of India takes the title for the wettest place in the world, receiving an astonishing average of 11,971 millimeters of rainfall each year, which compared to the UK's 1,154 millimeter average is quite large. I mean, yeah, that's a lot. It's a lot of rainfall compared to the average of the UK. Bruv, 2026. The wettest day in Britain. Okay. Let's see what this is. This was on December 5, 2015, when Honister Pass in Cumbria was soaked by 341.4 millimeters of rain in a day during Storm Desmond, which brought extensive heavy rain and strong gales to parts of northern England and Scotland. Yeah, what's the worst amount of rain you've been in? Have you ever been in a flood? That's really unfortunate, especially for all your items. Flooding is not good for the house. No, not good at all. Alright, fact number 7. Predicting rainfall amounts from types of cloud. Okay, so I'm guessing this fact is going to talk about predicting rainfall amounts from types of cloud. Nimbostratus clouds and cumulonimbus clouds are two most common forms of clouds that produce rain. Hanging low in the sky while appearing dark and gray is the nimbostratus cloud, while the while the cumulonimbus clouds are shaped like a mountain with a dark gray base. This type of cloud is a thunderstorm cloud. These clouds also produce hail and tornadoes. Different types of clouds produce different things. Yeah, that makes sense to me, right? That checks out. Yep, definitely checks out. Fact number 8. Not all raindrops are made of water. Not all raindrops, hear that? They can also be made of meatballs. Because cloudy with a chance of meat, you get it. Rain also consists of sulfuric acid or methane, which can also be found on other planets in the solar system. Yes, this I did know. Yes. Fact number 9. How much does rain weigh? Okay. Wouldn't that depend on how much rain falls? An inch of rain can measure around 226,000 pounds in an acre of land. And every minute, 1 billion tons of rain falls on the earth. That's a lot of rain. That is a lot of rain to be falling. Nice. Fact number 10, and the last fact for this video. Dry in places. What? Certain places are dry, I guess. London and Cambridge are the UK's driest cities. Yeah, well. Okay. Good for you. Right? Anybody who lives in Cambridge, awesome. Of course, London, unless you want rain. I don't mind the rain, but also I like to be dry. I don't like to be in the rain if I have to do things in the rain. I don't like to run errands in the rain, but being in London is fine because it's one of the driest cities in the UK. Same thing with Cambridge. Okay, thank you so much for watching and for listening to this video. And again, a big thank you to everybody who's watched, subscribed, commented. Clarice, Jerem, Jimmy, Cheese. Recently, Adam has come through with the QC. Jerem used to do a lot of QC. Also, hope Jerem is okay. I haven't seen Jerem in a long time on the channel, but hope everybody's okay. I appreciate you all. Just thank you. We've been taking the slow and steady approach. We're gonna keep slow and steadying it on ahead, and maybe one day, when I say 500,000 subscribers, it'll actually be 500,000 subscribers. But 500 is a beautiful, lovely milestone, and I really, really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. And remember,